Welcome back to TechVibes. Today we're fixing a Xiaomi/Mi Android TV by performing a full factory reset. Place your Xiaomi/Mi Android TV on a stable surface and unplug it from the power outlet. Keep the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV powered off for a few seconds to drain any leftover charge. Now plug the power cable back into your Xiaomi/Mi Android TV firmly. Check that the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV power cable is secure and not loose. With the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV still plugged in, locate the physical buttons on the TV. Most Xiaomi/Mi Android TV models have buttons under the frame or on the back side. Press the power button on the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV to turn it on. Wait for the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV logo to appear on screen. If the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV is stuck or frozen, hold the power button for 10 seconds to force restart. Once restarted, grab the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV remote. Make sure the remote is paired and pointed directly at the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV sensor. Press the home button to access the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV main menu. Navigate to settings using the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV remote. Select Device Preferences in the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV settings menu. Scroll down to find the reset option on your Xiaomi/Mi Android TV. Choose Factory Data Reset to begin restoring the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV. Confirm Reset to erase everything on the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV. The Xiaomi/Mi Android TV will now reboot automatically. You'll see the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV reboot animation as the reset begins. Keep the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV powered on, and don't unplug it during this process. The Xiaomi/Mi Android TV will restart again after wiping data. When it powers back up, wait for the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV setup screen. If your Xiaomi/Mi Android TV remote is unresponsive, replace its batteries. Point the remote directly at the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV again. Press and hold both menu and home buttons if repairing the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV remote is needed. After pairing, continue setting up the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV. Connect the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV to Wi-Fi during setup. Accept the on-screen terms to continue with the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV installation. Log in with your Google account to activate the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV apps. Complete the configuration to fully restore the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV. If the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV doesn't start the reset process, try manual recovery mode. Turn off the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV by unplugging it. Hold the power button on the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV panel. While holding power, plug in the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV again. Keep holding until the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV recovery menu appears. Use the remote to navigate the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV recovery options. Select Wipe Data/Factory Reset for the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV. Confirm Yes to erase all data on the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV. The Xiaomi/Mi Android TV will wipe the data and reboot. Wait patiently for the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV to finish. When the setup screen appears, start fresh on the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV. Follow all prompts to finalize the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV installation. Reconnect apps and accounts on your Xiaomi/Mi Android TV. Adjust display settings to optimize your Xiaomi/Mi Android TV picture. Test YouTube or Netflix to confirm the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV is working. Check audio settings to ensure sound is correct on the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV. Restart the Xiaomi/Mi Android TV one more time for stability. Your Xiaomi/Mi Android TV factory reset is now complete. Thanks for watching TechVibes. Enjoy your refreshed Xiaomi/Mi Android TV.